What if I told you that your exhaustion after 45 has nothing to do with age and everything to do with 5 hidden hormone saboteurs? A 2024 Johns Hopkins study tracked 1,000 plus adults for a decade and found one shocking link. People with balanced hormones had the energy of 35-year-olds, regardless of their real age. Today you'll discover 1. The number 1 food killing your thyroid. You eat it daily. 2. A 2-minute habit that boosts testosterone, estrogen naturally. 3. Why your healthy workout might be draining your adrenals. If you've ever said, "I'm just getting old," this video could rewrite your biological clock. Let's dive in. 1. The 5 hormone crash culprits. After 45, these 5 hormones nosedive, stealing your energy. 1. Thyroid, T3/T4, slows metabolism by 40%. Symptom, always cold plus weight gain. 2. Testosterone, men, estrogen, women, drops 50% by 55. Symptom, zero motivation plus belly fat. 3. Cortisol, stuck in fight or flight. Symptom, 3 p.m. energy crashes. 4. Growth hormone, declines 80% since your 20s. Symptom, poor sleep plus muscle loss. 5. Insulin, resistant spikes after menopause andropause. Symptom, sugar cravings after meals. Comment, tired, if you have 3+ symptoms. 2. The fixes. For thyroid, eat Brazil nuts, 2 daily for selenium. Avoid raw cruciferous veggies, blocks T3. For testosterone, estrogen, squat heavy 2 times a week, boosts T by 49%. Flaxseed daily, balances estrogen. For cortisol, 4 to 7 to 8 breathing at 4 p.m., resets adrenals. Stop coffee after 10 a.m., extends cortisol rhythm. 3. The 30-day reset. Morning, 1 teaspoon macadamia nut butter, healthy fats. 2. 5-minute sunlight, sets circadian rhythm. Evening, 1. Legs up the wall pose, lowers cortisol. 2. Cool room, 65 degrees Fahrenheit, boosts growth hormone. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. It helps others discover this life-changing information. Drop a comment below. I'd love to hear which hormone hack you'll try first. Subscribe and hit the bell, because next week I'll reveal the 5-second morning hack that balances hormones naturally. You won't want to miss it. Until then, remember, your fatigue isn't forever. Your body is waiting to thrive again. Take that first step today. Thank you for watching. And here's to your energy comeback.